Yo, life insurance is not sexy. Nobody wants to talk about death, and of course, nobody wants to die. The purpose of life insurance is to ensure that your family and loved ones are financially secure after you die. And if you have a family and you don't have a high net worth, life insurance is an absolute necessity. I mean, dying's not cheap. It costs at least $10,000 to $15,000 just to have a burial. Imagine this, your family will lose your income and they will be handed a $20,000 bill. How will they survive? Questions to answer if you're considering life insurance. Are you the breadwinner of your household? Are you the only income earner in your household? How many years worth of living expenses do you want to be paid to your family? And do you have any debt? How many financial dependents do you have? Do you want your life insurance to cover the cost of education for your children? Let's say you qualify for and buy a 20-year life insurance policy with a $500,000 death benefit. If you die within the 20-year window, your beneficiaries receive $500,000. At the end of the 20 years, you can renew the policy if you wish to maintain the coverage, or the premium will be increased. Whole life insurance, on the other hand, provides coverage for the whole life. You typically pay a fixed premium, which provides you very little coverage in the beginning, but as you continue to pay the premium over the years, your total coverage begins to increase. Whole life insurance has many benefits, including a cash value that builds as you continue to pay the premium. It's really important which company you decide to buy life insurance from and the agent you're buying from, because not many agents are properly trained and they're giving out a lot of misinformation. Find yourself with a qualified agent that's going to look out for your best interests.